Ayo, all new working codes in Volleyball Legends. We got every single new working code in the brand new update. Season 4 just dropped, as well as some new emotes, content, Spleef game mode, brand new Spleef game mode. You have to play that one, okay? You actually have to try that. This new game mode is actually good. Okay, let's see. If you actually want to redeem codes, click on shop. Click on shop. Do not miss out on any of these codes, because you can actually get yourself a lot of free lucky spins. Volleyball Legends new summer update. Okay, announcements. Let's see. Going for another hour. More free spins. Okay, where's the free spins at? Free spin event. Wait, they didn't even like give me the free spins. I missed the free spins. 21 update 21 update 21. The next code, 650 million visits. 650 million visits. That is the next code. 5 lucky spins again. 5 lucky spins again. 2 million underscore favorites. 2 million favorites. There you go. How much like spins do that? 49 ability spins. 108. Wait, we have 108. That is insane. 108 lucky spins. We have to actually get the twins. We have like a godly one. Godly. How do I get a godly? Just spin to win.